Okay, so to go over this next question, which of the following sets of elements is not in the order of increasing atomic radius? So which one does not go from smallest to largest radius? So let's look for all of these first, right? So I'm going to color code this. So A will be blue, and I'll make this. All right, so I've color coded these answers, and I'm actually going to go onto the periodic table and find these three elements and label them in each of those colors. Okay, so I went ahead and found all of the elements on the periodic table, and I also drew arrows across from them. Now, if you're doing this on a sheet of paper separately, I would kind of just cross off which ones can't be the answer first. Right? So Cl, S, and O, notice that it's asking for which one is not going from smallest to largest. Well, I know it gets from smallest to largest if I go down, and smallest to largest if I go to the left. Ignore this arrow because it says decreasing, right? And we're looking for increasing. So I want to look for the answer that's not going to the left or not going down. So if I check the first one, CLS and O, CLS and O is not going down, it's going up and it's going to the left. Right, so already I found my answer. So CLS and O are going to be the correct answer, right? Because if I check CL, BR, and I, CL, BR, and I are going from smallest to biggest or smallest to largest because it's going down. And if I check in my notes, the atoms are getting bigger as I go down, right? So for P, Si, and Al, it's going left. So as I go left, these are also getting bigger. For S, As, and Sn, it's going diagonal this way, right? If I'm going diagonal this way, it's also getting bigger, right? So these are kind of hard to do in your head, and I would definitely recommend you kind of like drawing it on top of a periodic table if you have a printer, or drawing an outline of the periodic table so that you can draw on top of it.